Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Fitbit Flex. First, make sure your Fitbit Flex is fully charged. This usually takes about 1 to 2 hours. Next, download the Fitbit app from your device's app store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone or tablet, as this is essential for the connection. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup experience. Now let's pair your Flex. Open the Fitbit application on your smartphone or tablet. If you are a new user, create an account, otherwise simply log in. Tap the small account icon, usually located in the top left corner, and select Set up a device. From the list, choose Flex and follow the clear, step-by-step instructions provided on your screen. This process typically takes only a few minutes. Once paired, syncing your activity data is straightforward. Keep your Fitbit Flex within about 20 feet of your smartphone or tablet. Simply open the Fitbit application, and it will usually begin syncing automatically. If you need to manually sync, just pull down on the dashboard screen within the app. Regular syncing ensures all your steps, distance, and sleep information are accurately recorded and displayed for your review. Encountering issues? Don't worry, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. First, try restarting your Fitbit Flex by plugging it into its charging cable for a few seconds. Next, reboot your smartphone or tablet to refresh its Bluetooth connection. Also, confirm that your Fitbit application is updated to the latest version. If problems continue, you might need to remove the device from the app and then repair it following the initial setup steps. These steps resolve most common connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.